Hello and welcome to this new tutorial where we are going to be learning how to set up shipping settings on Shopify. Now, when you're in your Shopify account, you will notice here I'm on my home page. You simply come down to settings down here. You click on that, and then you need now to the left hand side, you need to locate shipping and delivery, and it's down here. So you'll click on shipping and delivery, and it will bring you to this page. You notice this page has several divisions. So to start from the top here, if you want to set up your shipping rates for the general shipping rates, you come here and you choose one, that is for general, if it's domestic or international. If you click on this arrow there, you'll notice that it will open the products that are already in your Shopify. So you notice I already have a product for bikes, that is a bicycle here. And then down here, you notice we now have shipping origin here. That is in the USA. And then we have the shipping zones. And then down here, we have the rate name, we have the condition, the transit time, and the price. For instance, for the economy, for the condition for $50, it's 5 to 8 days and it's free. And then we have the standard down here. You notice we have two standard, that is depending on the condition here. We have 1 to 5 pounds, we have 0 to 1 pound, 3 to 4 business days, and each the price is listed here. Like this one for up to 5 pounds, 3 to 4 business days goes for $9.9. Now, if you want to add another one here, maybe if yours is not added, maybe you are selling a product that is up to 10 pounds. You notice it is not here. So what you can go to International Shipping Cost Calculator, and that link is available in the description of this video. That is myus.com. So you notice here it's myus.com. And then you can now come down here and put the settings that you want for the ratings that you want. For instance, where are you shipping from? If you click here, maybe you are shopping from the USA, tax-free address. Then where are you delivering this product to? You can select again, you select the country. Here, you notice we have all the countries here. So maybe you are shipping that to Egypt, and then you can put the weight here. Maybe the weight here is 10 pounds. And then you click on get my rates. And this site will simply help you to get the rates here for different carriers. For instance, you notice here estimated cost of shipping at the top here. For the budget economy, it's 8 to 14 days and you'll pay $54.4. If you set that with Aramex, you'll pay $59.8. You can compare that with DHL. You notice DHL is charging $62.8 and takes 2 to 5 days. If you look at the top here, you notice this one was 4 to 8 days. And even the first one was also 8 to 14 days. So you decide now which terms you want to put here. Maybe you notice this one is what you want to use. You want to use DHL, especially because of the number of days here, which is 2 to 5 days. So you can use this one to do your calculations. So you'll come back here and add a rate now. You click on add rate. So you can set up your own rates, just like I've shown you there. Economy, this price, and so you want this to be $62. Then economy, how many business days? So you maybe want to go to 5 to 8 business days. Then you click on done. So you now notice your rate will be added here. It's here now, economy. We didn't put the price, so you can edit that by clicking on these 3 dots there. Then you edit the rate so that we can add the condition, add conditional pricing. So you can add the conditional pricing there. So maybe up to 10 there. Then you click on 10 to 10. Maybe let's put this 5 to 10. Then you click on done. So you now notice here our rate has been added. Economy, 5 to 8 business days, $62. So that's how you add those rates. You can also click on add rate, and then instead of having to do it manually, you use carrier or app to calculate the rates. So if you click on use carrier or app to calculate the rates, you are going to come down here, and rates are based on your customer's address and the weight and dimensions of their order. So up here, you choose this provider you want to use. Maybe you want to use UPS, discounted rates from Shopify shipping, or discounted rates from Shopify shipping, UPS. So whichever you want to use, you select that, and then you select one here, UPS daily, whatever it is. So if you click on any one of those or several, you can just now automatically be getting the rates depending on the weight of what the customer is putting in. So for instance, let me use UPS standard and then click here, automatically show new shipping services. And then we can adjust the calculated rates to account for packaging and handling costs. So we want to adjust the rate by 15%, and then I'll get a flat rate of maybe 15, and then I click on done. So if you now do that, then your rates will be added automatically. So that's how you simply add those rates there for the general products there. So that's how you adjust the rates there, so that now your rates here are added. If you now click on carrier and app rates, you notice here, because we have added UPS discounted rates from Shopify, you notice it's now here. We have 15%. Then we have, that is for the handling fee plus $15. Then we have the transit time calculated, and then we have the service here. So that is how you add that. So I'm going to click back. So then for the expected delivery dates here, you can set up this so that show delivery dates at checkout. You can set this to be on, so that once your clients have purchased, they can see expected delivery dates, which is good for them. Then order processing time, if it's same as business day, you can leave it at that, or you can select the next business day such that the calculation starts the next day after the order has been processed, or 2 business days, or you can set custom processing time. So I'm going to set the next day, because maybe sometimes an order may be made very late in the evening, so we don't want that day to be counted. Then we click on save, and then you notice here now it's on. Expected delivery dates is on. So when a client is purchasing, they are going to see the expected delivery dates on their checkout. So for the local delivery here, you deliver orders directly to customers in this area. So if you don't offer any deliveries, you can click on off. If you do offer any, you click on on. So you click here, this location offers local delivery. You can click on that. And then delivery prices for this location are in US dollars. You can change the currency. Then the delivery area, your location address could not be verified. You need to verify your location so that you can set this up completely, where you can use your zip codes. You can also set the delivery zone here, depending on where you are. Then the zip code addresses, then the minimum order. Remember, for this delivery, a person may make an order maybe worth $10, and you don't want to deliver maybe such a product. So you can put the minimum order here. You can also offer local pickups here, where you now give your location so that people can come and pick up the items they have purchased. And then you can also do delivery customization here. And finally, you can buy and print discounted shipping labels from Shopify shipping. Down here, you notice we have DHL discounts up to 72%, UPS discounts up to 82%. So you can set up these discounts down here. That is how you simply set up shipping settings in your Shopify store. Kindly like this video, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel.